So once you go to the website, you will have to download a little quick piece of software. Then you can click on Start Recorder, and the next thing you'll see is a bunch of defaults. I'll just take all the defaults when it tells you how big it's going to be. You can record full screen, or in my case, I just have part of the window being recorded. It picks up your audio. It works best with a headset, and it would be better if you didn't have a barking dog. Then you would, let's see, you go to any file that you want to explain, and you can go anywhere and it's going to pick up everything in that window. So that's why a lot of people will record their full screen in case they go to an area that is outside the screen that's chosen. Then you click pause when you're done, and it will ask you where you'd like to save your video, and you will choose to upload it to YouTube. The other beauty with that is when you upload it to YouTube and you put that link inside of a Brightspace course, or you email it to anyone, it gets picked up perfectly and has responsive design. So what that means, there's no technical problems, and it sizes perfectly for whatever gadget they pick up, an iPad or Android machine or a laptop or a Mac or Windows, whatever. It always looks good. So I'm going to press pause, and I'm going to save this one.